Morning student, myself Gadak sir from Shram Shakti Vidyaniketan Madras School. Friends, we are learning math subject for the 7th standard. Okay, so up to the last lecture from chapter number 3, we have seen that how to find out HCF and LCM of the given 2 number or 3 number. Okay, that means up to the last lecture we have taken the brief idea about how to find out HCF, which are the methods to find out the HCF, also how to find the LCM, and which are the methods for finding the LCM, and what is the difference in between HCF and LCM. So into the today's lecture, also I will give the brief idea about the HCF and LCM, and the last practice set, that is practice set 14, we are going to solve. Okay, so HCF means highest common factor and LCM means lowest common multiple or least common multiple. Okay, that means if I want to find out HCF, I have how many methods? 2 methods. Which are that methods? First method is factorization or second method is division method. So factorization methods, all of you know. Factorization methods means I have to find out first factor of all the given numbers, and then I have to find out common factors, and after that finding the common factors, I have to take the multiplication, so that I will get the HCF of the given number. Again, second method for finding the HCF is division method. So division means I have to take the division of larger number by the smaller number, and up to where I have to continue that division, up to where I will get the 0 as a remainder. Okay, and that means larger number divided by smaller number. If you get other remainder than the 0, then what you have to do? You have to again do the same division. That means the remainder you have to divide the divisor by the remainder. Then you can write the division. So that process you have to take or carry out up to when you get the 0 as a remainder, and when you get the 0 as a remainder, then the divisor of the division is called as HCF of the given number. So that 2 methods we have seen, and into the factorization I can use horizontal arrangement or vertical arrangement to get the factors of the given numbers. Okay, so that is the idea for finding the HCF. Then next one is LCM, least common multiple. Now if I want to find out LCM, how many methods I have? Only one method, which is that factorization methods. Division method is not useful into the finding LCM. That means I have only one option, that is factorization. Again, like the HCF, you have to find out the firstly factors of all the given numbers, 2 number or 3 number. Once you find out the factors, for finding the LCM, for finding the HCF, what I have taken? Common factors. Now finding the least common multiple, LCM, what I have to take from the factors? I have to take maximum occurrence of all the factors. Okay, that means maximum occurrence of all the factors from all the numbers. So once I calculate maximum occurrence of all the numbers, after that I have to take multiplication of all the occurrence of all the factors. Okay, and the product is called as LCM. So I think all of you again rewind how to find out HCF and LCM. Okay, so related to the HCF and LCM, we also have taken the problems. Okay, I think all of you have solved all the practice set from chapter number 3. If you have any problems or if you don't understand anything, you can ask to me. Okay, so from your book on page number 23, okay, on page number 23 there is one exercise, that is practice set 14. So that is the last practice set we have to solve into the today's lecture. So I think all of you have opened the book in front of you, and on page number 23, practice set 14, first question is like that: choose the right option. choose the right option. And into that first question, first one is like that: the HCF of 120 150 is. What is the question? What is the question? The HCF of 120 and 150 is this. Okay. Yes, the HCF of 120 and 150 is this. And options are like that: 30, 45, 45. Option C is 20, and option D is 120. What is the question? The HCF of 120 150 is this. And options are 30, 45, 20, 120. So if you want to choose the correct option, what you have to do? You have to first find out the HCF of 120 and 50. So for finding the HCF, I have two methods. So first one is factorization and second one is division. So first we will find by the factorization and second we will take by the division. So factors of 120 into 60, 2 into 60, again 2 into 2 into 30, again 2 into 2 into 2 into 50. Now 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into. Okay. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 5s are 120. That's what my factors are correct. Now I will find the factors of 150. So 2 into 75. Now 2 into, which is the smaller number which will divide to 75? Obviously 3. So 2 into 3 into 3 2s are 6, 1 are remainder, 3 5s are 50. So 25 3s are 75. Now again 2 into 3 into. Now which is the smaller number which will divide to the 25? Obviously 5. So 5 5s are 25. Now 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30, 30 5s are 150. That means my factors are correct. Now I have find out factors of 120 and 150. Now for finding the HCF, what I have to take? Common factor. If I want to find out HCF, what I have to take? Common factor. So which are the common factors? That 2 is here, that 2 is here, so 2 is common. That 2 is here but not here. That 2 also here but not here. That 3 is here and here. That means it is the common. So 3 is the common. Again that 5 is here and that 5 is here. That means it is the common. That 5 is here but not here. That means it is not common. So which are the common factors? 2, 3, 5. Okay. So if I want to find out HCF, therefore HCF of 120 and 150 is equals to, what I have to do? I have to take the product of all the common factors. So 2 into 3 into 5. So 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. So what is the HCF? 30. So option A is correct. Okay. That means we have found out the factors HCF of the 120 and 150 is 30. Now the same example we will again solve by the division method. Division method. We have solved the example or we have find out the HCF by factorization. Now we will find the HCF by the division method. Into the division method, what I have to do? Larger number I have to divide by the smaller number. So 120. So 120 ones are 120. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 2, 3. 1 minus 1, 0. So what is the remainder? 30. So that is not 0. That means I have to again repeat the process. Okay. So that is 30 is the remainder. Now I have to divide it, that 120 by the 30. Remainder is 30 and 120 is the divisor. So that divisor I have to divide by the remainder. Okay, so 34 are 120. Okay, so 0 minus 0, 0, 2 minus 0, 1 minus 1, 0. That means I get 0 as a remainder. And if I get the 0 as a remainder, I have to stop here. Okay, that means my division is over. Now, the divisor of the last division is called as HCF of the given number. So, which is the divisor of the last division? This is the last division, 120 divided by 30. Answer is 4. So, remainder is 0. So, if I get the 0, that divisor is called as HCF. Therefore, HCF of 120 and 150 is equal to 30. That means by both the methods, I get the same division. Same HCF. So, you can use factorization or division method, which you want easy. That method you can use to find out HCF. So, our answer is 30. So, very simple example. Now, second example, the HCF of this pair of the members is not the 1. That means second example is like that. The HCF of this pair of the numbers is not the 1. That means they have given the 4 pairs. Okay, 4 pairs of the number. First one 13, 17. Second one 29, 20. Third 40, 20. And fourth one is 40, 15. And you have to find out the HCF of all the pairs. Okay. So you will get some value for the HCF. Now you are able to find the HCF. Okay. So you have to find out the HCF of all the pairs. And what they have asked, the HCF of this pair of member is not the 1. That means you get any one pair that having the HCF greater than the 1. So that pair you have to select. Okay. All of you are able to select the pair. First you have to find out HCF of all the pairs, all the 4 pairs, and then you will get which is the pair which does not have the HCF as 1. Now second question is like that. Find the HCF and LCM. What is the question? Find the HCF and LCM. That means you have to find out both HCF and LCM. So all of you are able to solve the HCF and LCM, but we will take one problem or one example for the practice. Okay. So from second question, we will take one example. Okay. So which example we will take? Suppose we will take first example. Okay. So first example is like that. Find the HCF and LCM of 14 and 28. So which are the numbers? 14 and 28. Question is like that. Find the HCF and LCM of 14 and 20. Now here I will find the HCF and here I will find the LCM. Now tell me, which is the common method for finding the HCF and LCM? Obviously factorization, because division method is not useful for finding the LCM. That's why I am going to use factorization method for the HCF also. Okay. So first I have to find out factors. So first number is 14. So factors of 14. 2 into 7. Okay. 2 into 7. So that are the factors of 14. Now 28. 2 into 40. Now again 2 into. Again that 14 can be divided by 2. So 2 into 2 into 6. So that are the factors of 14 and that are the factors of 20. Now if I want to find out HCF, then first I have to find what I want to take. from the factors, common factors. Therefore, common factors is equals to 2 is here, 3 is here, so 2 is common. That 7 is here, 7 is here, 7 is common. That 2 is here but not here, that means it is not common. So I have find out common factors. Therefore, once I find out common factor, HCF of 14 and 28 is, how I will find the HCF? From the common factor, I have to take the multiplication. So 2 into 6. Answer is 14. So HCF of the 14 and 28 is 40. Now LCM. For finding the LCM, which is the method? Obviously factorization, because division method is not useful into the LCM. So factorization, that means I have to take the first factor of the given. So factor of 14 is 2 into 7, and factor of 28 is 2 into 2 into 7. Okay, so that are the factors of the 14 and 20. Now for finding the HCF, we have taken the common factor. For finding the LCM, what we will take? Maximum occurrence of all the factors. So 2 occurs how many maximum time? Here only one time, here 2 times. That means 2 occur maximum 2 times. Now 7 occur 1 time. Here also occur 1 time. That means 7 occur maximum only 1 time. So I have taken the maximum occurrence. Here I have taken the common factors, common factors. Here I have taken maximum occurrence of all the factors from the factors of both these. Now, therefore, LCM of 40 and 28 is equals to, what I have to do? I have to take the multiplication of that factors. So 2 occurs 2 times, so 2 into 2, and 7 occurs 1 time. So 2 2s are 4, and 4 7s are 28. So which is the LCM? HCF is 14, LCM is 28. Now, as the last lecture, if I take the product of HCF and LCM, that product becomes 14 into 28, because 14 is HCF and 28 is LCM. So product of HCF and LCM is equals to product of given number. Product of given number. Which are the given number? 14 and 28. That means we also verify the given that the product of HCF and LCM is equals to product of given number. Like that. Okay. So I think remaining question you are able to solve at the home. Okay. So third question is finding the LCM. That LCM you can also find out. Fourth question is simple one that you can also find out. Fifth question we also have seen into the last example, that is division method. Okay. So you have to solve that example by division method. Sixth one is that we have to verify that HCF and LCM. The product of HCF and LCM is equal to product of given number. Okay. That means remaining question you are able to solve as well. So you have to solve remaining question as well. Okay. Thank you friends.